Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to increase your income without switching jobs, you came to the right place. Today we are diving into practical strategies to make more money while staying right where you are. Let's get started. Tip number one, work overtime. Many companies offer overtime opportunities, and this is one of the easiest way to boost your income. Even a few extra hours a week can add up quickly. For example, if you earn $20 an hour and work 5 extra hours each week, that's an additional $100 a week or over $5,000 a year. So if your job offer overtime, take advantage of it. Tip number two, save money on coffee and fast food. We all love our Starbucks lattes and Dunkin runs, but those daily expenses can add up fast. Let's break it down. A $5 coffee every weekday equals $25 a week or $1,300 a year. Grabbing fast food lunch, that's another $10 to $15 a day or up to $3,900 annually. Instead, brew your own coffee at home and meal prep your lunches. You will save thousands of dollars without putting in extra hours at work. Tip number three, if you see any value to this video, please subscribe to my channel. Tip number four, don't use your PTO or vacation time / sick days at work. Here is a money savvy hack. Resist the urge to use your PTO unless absolutely necessary. Why? Because many jobs offer annual pay rates between 2 to 5%, which means your hourly rate increase over time. By saving your PTO / vacation / 6 days, you will eventually cash them out at a higher rate. Think of it like an investment in your future self. Tip number five, stay consistent and patient. Small changes add up over time. Whether it's working on few extra hours, skipping the coffee shops, or holding onto your PTO, these actions might seem minor, but they have a big cumulative impact. Stick to those strategies and you will see results. Tip number six, don't forget to subscribe. I see you next time.